It's a beautiful day as day number 31 for 5 Luo Words A Day. And today we talk about Akara. Akara. That is long pants or trousers. Akara. And the second thing we talk about is Akara. Same pronunciation. Akara. That is spread legs apart. Nyako ni miel kod tiende akara. Nyako ni miel kod tiende akara. Third, Akat. Akat. Akat is a plaited rope made from grass. Ma en tol mar akat. Ma en tol mar akat. Ma en tol mar akat. Our fourth word of the day is Akat or Akada. Akada. So Akada is the area between the anus and the scrotum, or the vulva for the ladies. Akat, Akada, or Akat. And the last word for today is Akech. 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 Akech is a bitter fruit, and Akech is also a tree that bears the fruit. So in a sentence we can say, Ne atemo chamo olemo mar Akech no ma otama. Ne atemo chamo olemo mar Akech no ma otama. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can always roll back to day number 1 to catch up on 5 Luo Words A Day. I will meet you tomorrow for day number 32. Oriti.